Welcome back to HS Auto, where we dive into the newest machines shaping the future of motorcycling. Today, we're taking a quick, focused look at the 2026 Honda H'ness CB350, Honda's modern classic that continues to blend retro charm with advanced engineering. ##### classic styling with modern finesse. The 2026 CB350 stays true to its old-school DNA: round headlamp, metal tank, upright stance, but Honda has refined the detailing. Sharper chrome accents, richer paint schemes, and improved fit and finish bring a premium touch without losing the nostalgia riders love. #### engine and performance. Honda continues with its reliable 348 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, but the 2026 model features smoother fueling and a slightly reworked exhaust note. The torque delivery is more linear, making city rides effortless while still offering confident mid-range punch on open roads. ### technology and features. Honda upgrades the electronics suite with refined traction control, more responsive ABS tuning, and an updated instrument cluster. Bluetooth connectivity remains standard, enabling navigation prompts and call alerts, now with improved stability and faster syncing. ### ride and handling. The CB350's ride comfort gets a boost with revised suspension damping, providing a softer response over rough patches while maintaining stability. Its lightweight chassis and predictable handling make it beginner-friendly yet satisfying for seasoned riders. ### value and positioning. Continuing Honda's strategy, the 2026 H'ness CB350 aims to deliver premium craftsmanship at a competitive price point. It stands as a compelling alternative to other retro-styled mid-size motorcycles, offering a blend of reliability, refinement, and everyday usability. ### outro. That's your quick breakdown of the 2026 Honda H'ness CB350. If you enjoyed this concise review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates here on HS Auto. Ride safe, and see you in.